Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Kevin, and I'm camping out here with my wife, Jillian, our daughter, Logan. She's actually 8 weeks old now, and our two GSPs. And we got really lucky. This is our second awesome campsite in a row. We saw this last October when we came through here after our wedding, and we're like, we really want to camp at that site again. We came through yesterday, it was taken, and today I think the rain kind of scared some people off, so we got this campsite. So let me go ahead and give you guys a little tour of the campsite, and then we'll let out the dogs, put out the awning, and all the rest of our camping gear. Okay. From the campsite, there's a couple little footpaths that come to different little parts of the creek. This one's got a nice little dam. Even though this is a nice campsite, we're just not feeling it. It's still pretty early. It's about 12:45. The rain is here. We're not sure how big the storm is or how many hours this afternoon or into the evening it's gonna rain. And we've already been rained out twice before, so everything's just damp, and we're tired of just being wet and being in the rain. Plus, it's hard with the dogs because the dogs want to go somewhere dry like in the camper, but we don't want the camper getting all nasty with wet dogs. So Jillian and the baby are in the car. I put the dogs up. I'm gonna put away the awning and the chair. We're gonna drive around, drive into town, and see if we can find some more campsites. Once I get service, I'm gonna check the weather. Maybe the storm is small enough where we can just drive to clearer skies and have a nice campfire tonight and enjoy camping.
Today, a chance of showers this morning. A chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely this afternoon. Highs in the lower 70s. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then a slight chance of showers after midnight.
We left the other campsite. We drove about 55 minutes to our next one. It's pretty unlevel. I had to put rocks underneath the 4Runner tires, and on the other side of the camper, I had to put some rocks there, but we got it level. Dogs are out, awning is up. Jillian and Logan, the baby, are taking a nap in the camper. And we left that little creek for this right here. Starting to wonder if they're attracted to brake dust or something, because they've been hitting on the tires on the trailer. It has electric brakes. Maggie, here. There's even a little fire ring over here if you want to have chairs set up for hammocks. It's about 6:30. We believe some more rain is on the way. We don't actually have internet here, so we can't check the weather right now. And everything we have is damp, especially inside the camper. And mix that with some cool weather, especially this cool air coming off this river. It's only going to get colder as the night goes on. And 2 wet dogs, throw that in the mix, and a tiny little camper. It's just not going to be fun, especially with an infant. We want to make sure she's dry and warm. So we're going to head to my parents' cabin, give Logan a bath, and get some nice dry clothes, something good to eat. And we're just going to chalk this up as an exploration video. We found 2 awesome creek and riverside campsites that we're going to come back to in the future. We didn't get to camp here tonight, but it's no big deal. So as we were leaving, we actually found a better spot. This one's even closer to the water, a little more level, and you're not gonna have to worry about people coming down to like the turnaround and come bother you at nighttime. So this one's definitely gonna be one that we're gonna come back to.